We set up Friends of Aberdare Park 2-3 years ago now, and we're interested in all aspects of the park. I discussed it with the Sport RCT officers. They came and had a look, perfect and everything like that. Contacted Kerry in Parkrun. She came and looked fab. So that's how we started. Spoke to Friends of the Park and linked to the Dragons Running Club. Yes, we had the volunteers, we had the enthusiasm to do it. So we contacted the local authority for permission to use the park. Obviously it's a public park, open access, so yeah, they were supportive. Next then was the funding, because we needed money to set it up. So we were fortunate, the Run Wales gave us £3,000, Parkrun gave us £3,000, and then we approached the local authority, because one of the stipulations of Parkrun is to have a defib, obviously access to a defib. They paid for that, so we were ready to roll. We have a lot of councillors who actually come and volunteer on a Saturday morning. We've had the leader of the local authority when we were first set up, you know, he was around, councillors. Obviously myself and Councillor Sharon Rees, the other local member, she's here this morning volunteering. But very supportive, you know, we've got whatever we ask, the rangers check the circuit in the morning, make sure there's no glass, there's no trees blown down or anything like that. So everybody's on board because everybody wants to see Parkrun making a difference to people's lives. Times are hard. Parkrun is free to enter, they just need their barcode that brings them out and about. It's making communities, pulling communities together, and I think in times of austerity that's so important, and times of fitness and bad health and everything like that, Parkrun is a win-win for local authorities.